Enter Bollywood. Wanna catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
Amir, you come with this huge reputation as an actor. You're one of the finest actors of all time in the country, I would say. Which is a fact, right?
Yeah.
So it comes with a lot of intimidation. How do you make people around you comfortable?
Yeah, good
And
question.
how do they get comfortable around you?
I don't do anything special. I'm just myself. I don't make any efforts to make anyone comfortable because I don't think I need to. I guess the way my parents have brought me up is how I am, and I don't attach any importance to myself. Any undue
Maybe
importance.
you're not trying, but maybe your image, your reputation precedes you as an actor, right?
Well, I'll tell you my experience. Maybe he doesn't realize it actually. You see, Amir is mostly you get what you see kind of a person. So, and he is, well, now I can comment on the kind of person he is considering the time I've spent with him. Humility comes to him. That's him. It's natural. Compassion, it's him. So I think it's so natural that he doesn't even realize that he's kind of making
Before
that
you
person
meet
feel
him, that
comfortable.
reputation actor, that reputation as an actor,
Actor, yes, the superstar. Well, so when I first met him in Rang De Vasanti, obviously I'm like a huge fan of his work, and then suddenly you are sitting right next to him and rehearsing lines. So I felt during those days that initial effort was made to just kind of, all of us actually, Kunal, Siddharth, all of us, they're huge fans of Amir, and he kind of made us feel comfortable. And after that, you can see that effort is also not coming forward. He's just being himself, and well, that's what I said. So maybe he doesn't even realize it, probably.
Slightly longish answer, but I've had the privilege of working with Mani Ratnam for 5 films, and then I got called by Kamal Hassan to do a film with him. And when I wanted to do the film with him, everybody who was my advisory committee in Chennai said, don't, because he'll eat you up and make you feel really small, and he'll take away the hero status from you. And I looked back at them and I said, you know what, for one chance to work with a legend like him, so be it. And for that film, he helped me, and for that film became a cult film, and he helped me get the Best Actor Award, the State Best Actor Award for Unbasivam. I came with a baggage like that when I started working with Amir. And for an actor, there's enough and a more of a uphill challenge just to do the role that you're supposed to do, and it should be taking up 99% of your brain. But when somebody's insecure around you, and then you're starting to realize that you have to do a little more to make your presence felt for the sake of the film, not for the sake of yourself, then it becomes a challenge.
Well said, really well said. Yeah.
Then suddenly you realize you come across somebody like Amir Khan, who is so supremely secure about, and he does it without realizing it. He does it. He'll clap at the end of a shot when you've done a great job, and he will appreciate it. He'll be driven to tears in your scene. In fact, he's the kind of guy who's been telling throughout the interview today that his favorite scenes are mine and Sharman's. And that's the kind of security that I'm talking about.
That's the truth. That's the scene I like best.
Exactly, I'm saying, but there are a lot of actors, or I forget about that. I would feel very insecure about talking about a film which is done so well, and I'd feel jealous if I said that about myself, even if it is honest, that somebody else's scene was the one that touched me the most. Even if I had to camouflage it in the form of giving the credit to the director, I'd still say one of my scenes. But that's the kind of guy you are, Amir. So it is a privilege. It's a privilege because your senses are with you all the time. Your goodness is with you, and you're basking in a.
Makes you want to raise the bar as well.
You just want to live up to the levels set.
Yeah, absolutely.
That itself is a challenge by.
Wow, Amir.
क्या बात है यार?
Pat on the back for yourself.
लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं?
Yeah.
I've never asked them.